So we've been on the Core Plus now for 9 months, our entire family. We totally fell in love with the process, being healthy and wanting our kids to be well. They can't get all their nutrients from their food. And so when we can take 7 products, our entire family can benefit from them and we can all get something from it. And it's super easy. We fell in love.
I love the sulfur for, I'm bone infused, so my L4, L5 is fused together. And I can really tell when I don't take it, my lower back starts to hurt. So sulfur is the #1 thing for me to take.
I'll tell you that my father had a heart attack in his 50s. I have had high cholesterol for several years now, and the nurses have been telling me that I'm kind of on the borderline of needing to take prescription medication for it. Wasn't sure how to do that and what I really needed to do. So I started taking these products, started taking Mila and these Gallion and getting in the system of taking these products, and my cholesterol dropped in half from 180 points down 70 something points. So that, and then my triglycerides, lipids, different blood counts, it's just been amazing what it's done, and I know it's added years to my life.
As a family, incorporate these products into our daily life. We take it, our 2 teenage boys take it. I am so thankful to know that inside David's body, things are happening. He only lost 6 pounds. I lost 40, but to know that he's lost 6 pounds on the outside, but the inside of him has changed so much, and like he said, has added years to our lives. You know, we are a busy family, our kids are involved in sports, and we don't have the time to eat as well as we would like to. We try to eat organic, we try to cook at home, but I know we're not getting what we need from our food. And so Core Plus has given us what we need health-wise, and I just know that it's something that your family could easily incorporate. It's not a lot of money, you guys, and your health is worth it.
I had joint pain in my shoulders, and I've been working out for years, and I couldn't even work out anymore. It got to the point where I just had to lay off, but since I got on this, the sulfur has just changed my life. I'm telling you, I can't make my shoulders hurt now. I'm doing everything that I never could do before. I'm getting stronger. We've lost, we both lost lots of weight. We're in the best shape of our entire lives. These products are phenomenal. I would never quit taking these products.
I also had joint pain I no longer had. I was also able to come off my blood pressure medicine, which was amazing for me because I hated the way it felt.
Amen.
When I took it. And like you said, I've lost over 35 pounds and I feel the best, and I love chasing my grandkids around.
Amen.